All right, so in response to Vernon's video regarding inlays with a offset instead of having to worry about the actual numbers, I went ahead and did a test with something a little bit on the intricate side because some people had said that they didn't think that it would work with an intricate design. So what you have is two females in the sapelli that are both cut to 0.25 deep, and this is the male cut with a start depth of 0 and a finish depth of 0.25, but the vectors have been offset in by 0.01, and this one has an offset vector of 0.02. Let's see how they fit, just to give you an idea. Okay, here's a side-by-side comparison. This is the male and female together with a 0.01 offset on the vectors, and you can see that it goes together, except there's quite a bit of gap. Yet if you look over here, this is the vectors that were offset by 0.02, and the plug sits much deeper in the male. I'm going to glue them both tonight, put a little clamp on them, and cut them off tomorrow and see what we get. So here we have the product of the inlay using Vernon's inlay parameters, which basically takes the guesswork out. I can tell you with certainty that they both look good. They are just water popped. Either way, they're both the same as far as the looks. I will tell you, this one had an offset of 0.01 on the vectors, and this one had an offset of 0.02 on the vectors. It was seated much better. The result almost looks the same. I just like the fact that it went in a little bit further. I think that this might be really worthwhile giving it a shot and adding it to my inlay boards. So just to go over the settings again in Carveco, first you need to make sure you have your vectors reversed and then outlined. And then what I did for the female is I did a start depth of 0, the maximum depth of 0.25, using my 12.4 tapered ball nose and an 1/8 inch down cut. The only change to the entire file was that these vectors up top here are offset 0.02 in from the originals. These down here were offset 0.01.